Good morning, it's the 4th of November, bonfire night tomorrow. I just received a package the other day from Mr. Amazon, and I just thought I'd do a little bit about smoke testers because I bought another one. It's thanks for you guys who helped me do this, but I want to find out a good machine that's affordable for you chaps. Now, because it is a really handy piece of kit. It's not just for you know, like finding out leaks in your how do you say, your vacuum system of your car, you know, because everything's got computery vacuumy bits and things and like that for emissions, but also for finding leaks in the exhaust, leaks in your gearbox, axle. It's a great versatile tool. So I'm going to show you my first one. You've seen it before. Wait a minute, here it is. This thing here, it's a smoke wizard. This thing here is kind of heavy, and it was, I think it was about 1,000 Canadian dollars when I bought it, because it was, well, maybe, I don't know, 7 or 8 years ago. And it's been a great little tool, but it has a disadvantage. Well, A, because it's heavy, but B, you need compressed air here to get it to work. And the other disadvantage is the pressure is quite low. Alright, so it's quite a low pressure in it, but it served me very well. I liked it, and now I'm obsessed with smoke testers. Well, as you know, wait a minute, get rid of that. I bought another one, a cheap and cheerful one from China, this C4 machine. Now, I modified this by putting a little switch on the top, because what was happening was there was no on-off switch. It was that cheap, and you can put the smoke on with the switch but not the machine. This has been really good, and it was like 59 Canadian dollars, which was next to nought, and the pressure, there's a little pump inside, and that puts out about 18 pounds when we last tested it. Alright, so, and it's got a little hook, you can hook it off your bonnet or whatever you want to do, and it's light and it's reliable. So what have I bought? Well, I was going to do a video on that smoke machine, and I got this. Well, it's not just a box. Yeah, look at this here. Oh, I got rain on it when I was bringing it upstairs, but it's from the same company who made this C4, but a newer model and proportionately cheaper when you think about it than anything else. So let's open the box. Now obviously they don't send me things like this and I buy them, alright, so I've stopped doing all that promotional stuff with dash cams and stuff because I got sick of them. But I thought I'd open this box and let you have a look and see what's in it. I think it would be interesting for you guys. So, got a little instruction book, and we've got here the machine itself, and you can see why I was quite excited when I bought it. This was $129, but you can see it's got all the features of this one, but really compact, because it's got a pressure gauge on it, it's got a manometer on it, and it's got your on and off switch here. Brilliant. So we've got a power, smoke outlet, and a drain. Ooh, that's interesting. But really small. But because it's got its own compressor built into it, it's more versatile than anything else I've had before. You know, like this smoke wizard one. Yeah. Anyway, let's have a look and see what's in this box. Because you can get a model like this just with the very basics, but I paid like another $20 more to get the kit with all the bits in. So we've got a hose that goes onto the back. We've got one of these things. Now these are really handy. This goes into your exhaust or your air intake of your manifold to check for leaks and things like this. And like I say, these tools have found me loads of leaks on exhausts where you could hear them going, well, maybe not going like that, but you get farty leaks, but you can't see where they're coming from. And by putting smoke inside, you can see the leak and get under there with your welder. We've got a power connector. Ooh, this looks like it should belong in the doctor's surgery. What the hell's this here? Hmm. Ooh, look, it swells up. You can put that into pipes to block up the pipes. A lot of fun with that. Also, in this little bag here, we get a little container for your oil, an Action Man sized funnel, and some bungs. Now these are really handy because I have various types of bungs, but sometimes you need stoppers to block up parts like I don't want to say like oil seals, like in your LT230, something that'll hold into your oil seal so that smoke won't come out. So there's 3 of those. Ooh, this is a bigger one. 4. That looks like a lot of fun. What the hell does that do? 5, 6, 7. A key for a valve. 8, 9. So really you've got quite a lot of stuff. Now you're wanting me obviously to have it fired up, but if you've noticed it doesn't come with any oil. I'm going to run across and buy some. I've already got some. Get some oil and I'll show you what it is. So the oil we use is baby oil. I didn't know where you had to put oil in a baby. Never had one, so I don't know. But this is the stuff you use. Baby oil. Don't get any. You can buy fancy oils and stuff like that to put in them, but you can make your own mix. This is off my C4 machine. See, it's a funny colour. I put a couple of drops in of wrong side leak detector. So that means that if you put some leak detector in it, in the smoke, in the oil, if you can't quite see where a leak's coming from, the smoke, when it permeates out of a little tiny hole, will make a dye stain, and then with some glasses on and a UV light you can instantly see where it is. Now the reason for that is that if you've got something rubbery like this, then if there's a split or a tear in it, sometimes the leak is so small that it acts like a valve. So you might not see smoke come out of it, but it'll make a dye stain, and that's really handy. Now I use my smoke machines for everything except for doing evap things on cars. I use them for, like I say, gearboxes, engines, all sorts of things. But it is a handy tool. Now, like I say, I can't get over this. Look at this. To this. Ooh, I should really weigh them, shouldn't I? Where's my handy dandy scale? Can you see that? What's it say? I can't see it. 5 kilos. Oh, this one here. 0. It doesn't even weigh anything. So it's 5 times heavier. I don't know, I just make these things up as I go along. So, you know what I'm going to say. Let's fire it up. Let's get it ready. I'll put some oil in and see how it goes. Well, we'll do some oil now, eh? How's that? So we'll take the top off. We'll get our Action Man sized funnel and we'll put some of this in. Now it should have a level on it somewhere. Drain. I'll have to read the book and see what the level is. Well, this is odd. It says here, refill 20 to 25 millilitres of oil. What the hell's 20 to 25 millilitres? I'm just going to do a little insert here because I was just packing this away and I've noticed the jar here, the container, has actually got a scale on with millilitres in it. This one came with my other one and it doesn't have anything on it, so that's another good thing. So you know what 20 millilitres looks like, and it should be around there. So I think I put the right amount in. And it says in the instructions now that when you've finished using it, to drain it out. I'm not sure the reason why that is. It goes through all sorts of safety things. Don't drain it out when it's hot, naturally. But anyway, it's got some oil in. So we'll clip in the power leads into here. Where's the end of it? Here we are. Clip that in. And it's already got some reasonable crocodile clips on. Now I've noticed here for the pipe, and the other one was a already pre-made connector, but on this one here there is nothing on the end of the pipe. It's got like a pipe union, a gland or something like that on it. Right, so there's the hose, and it's got a little fitting that goes onto there, and then this goes onto here somehow. I can't see how this is going to work. Oh well, wait a minute. There we go. Oh, that was easy, wasn't it? Right. So let's put the connectors on. Positive. Negative. So far so good. Mode air. Mode smoke. How long does it take? Oh, there's a pressure gauge on it, isn't there? Oh, hell. Where's that pumping up to? Oh, my pipe's leaking at the back. Oh, it's smoking, everything's happening at the same time. Don't panic. So I'll nip the hose up and let's see what So we've got a flow meter here. That's reducing the flow. If you can see that. So there's no flow. There's plenty of smoke. I want to see what this gauge pumps up to. 15 pounds, and it's still going. 18. So they're using the same pump. Look at that. Should have had this for Halloween, shouldn't we? But by God, that puts out some smoke. Wait a minute, I'll turn it off. Can't see a bloody thing. It works. So I'm pretty impressed. I'm going to be doing some videos using this little machine because it doesn't take much shelf space up either. Not better than that great big thing. The other great big thing does work. I mean, if somebody's passing locally and they want a smoke machine, I'll gratefully give it away. I'll keep this other one just as a standby for now. But I think it's a good piece of kit.